Hi, my name is Rodney. I'm a plumbing supervisor here at Thornton & Grooms. Today I'd like to talk to you about calcium line rust buildup that can occur in your aerators. That's that little screen part at the end of your faucet. It also can occur in shower heads. It makes them spray real funny. So today we'd like to talk about either replacement of those parts or the ability to clean what you have. It's a really good question. It's easy to tell if an aerator is dirty or has a calcium buildup on it. Typically what will happen is when you turn it on, you'll notice it doesn't have a real good stream. It kind of sprays water everywhere. You'll see water that can actually run down the spout like you see here. And that is a sign of a dirty aerator. So what we really want to do here is try to clean this one or replace it. So typically you can remove them by hand. It might take a little bit of force, but a lot of times you can get them by hand. If you can't, then you'll have to use a pair of pliers on it. You need to be really careful about using pliers on these. You can damage the finish. Also, you could do some internal damage to the faucet. So I'll show you how to clean these without removing them also. But if you can remove them, you can kind of see this one has got a buildup on it. It's pretty nasty. You know, and if you think about it, you're drinking the water that comes through this thing. You know, maybe brushing your teeth with it or even cooking with it. So you want to try to keep these as clean as possible. Here's what a new one looks like. You can see there's a huge difference here. You see it's a little different shape, but it will fit into this. They're pretty universal. Some manufacturers have different sizes, so if you need to replace it, you're going to want to try to remove it and actually take it up to your hardware store or your plumbing supplier to match it up perfectly. But you'll see what a new one looks like when it's put on and the difference in the stream. So here's what it looks like and what it should look like. A nice gentle stream coming out and not spraying water everywhere and not creating a mess. So that's the way we remove an aerator for replacement. I'd like to talk about what we're going to do next week is actually cleaning the aerator while it's still on the faucet. So you've tried to remove it, it won't come off by hand, and you don't want to take the chance of doing any damage by using tools. So we're going to get into how we clean it in place.